Bitcoin near $66,000 as Mt. Gox moves $130 million to Bitstamp. Ethereum ETFs approved by SEC, bringing popular funds to second largest cryptocurrency. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF draws $526 million in net inflows. US government moves $4 million Bitcoin to Coinbase, Arkham data shows. Gate.io to wind down services for customers in Japan. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin faced a sudden downturn on Tuesday. After that, Mt. Gox trustee orchestrated a massive movement of over $2.8 billion worth of BTC into two new wallets, as reported by blockchain analytics firm Arkham Intelligence. This transfer comes on the heels of significant Bitcoin sell-offs, including Germany liquidating $2.8 billion in seized BTC, the US government offloading its own holdings, and a surprising twist in the US presidential race. Bitcoin is trading around $66,700. US regulators have given final approval for spot exchange-traded funds that hold Ethereum's Ether, giving Americans access to a second major cryptocurrency via the ease-to-trade vehicles. The decision caps a years-long process to get Ether ETFs approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission and follows the regulator's approval of Bitcoin ETFs in January. Approved issuers including financial giants such as BlackRock, Fidelity, 21 Shares, Bitwise, Franklin Templeton, Vanek, and Invesco Galaxy spearheaded this landmark initiative, underscoring growing institutional interest in digital assets following the success of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Research firm Steno Research predicts that the newly launched ETFs could see $15 billion to $20 billion worth of inflows in the first year, which is roughly the same that the spot Bitcoin ETFs have taken in just 7 months. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, a Nasdaq-listed exchange-traded fund closely tracking the cryptocurrency's spot price, drew in $526.7 million in investor funds on Monday, preliminary data published by Farside Investors show. That's the highest single-day tally since March, according to data source CoinGlass. Since its inception on January 11th, BlackRock alone has drawn in nearly $19.5 billion in investor funds. On Monday, the remaining 10 US-listed ETFs fell out of investor favor, attracting a net inflow of just $6.9 billion. The US government transferred 58.742 Bitcoin worth nearly $4 million to Coinbase on Monday, according to data tracked by blockchain analytics firm Arkham Intelligence. The transfer originated from an address labeled US government Ryan Fares seized funds. The funds were seized 3 years ago from Ryan, who was convicted in 2018 for selling Xanax pills on the dark web. The latest movement of funds, perhaps a move aimed at liquidation, has emptied the Ryan Fares seized funds address and represents less than 1% of Bitcoin's 24-hour trading volume of over $35 billion, according to data source CoinGecko. As such, the potential liquidation of funds through Coinbase is unlikely to negatively impact the spot price significantly, as the recent large scale of BTC by Germany's Saxony state did. Crypto exchange Gate.io has begun shuttering services for Japanese customers, citing compliance requests from the country's financial regulator. Gate.io announced the termination of services for all Japanese customers in a July 22nd announcement, adding that it would assist affected customers in migrating their assets. Starting July 22nd, the Cayman Islands headquartered exchange will suspend the opening of new accounts for all customers based in Japan. The exchange said it was shutting down due to compliance requests from authorities such as the Financial Services Agency, adding that it would provide further details concerning the shutdown soon. According to the notice, Gate.io will launch a program to comply with laws and regulations in Japan and support customers by migrating them to exchanges that comply with Japanese regulations. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. US regulators have given a final approval for spot exchange ETF that hold Ethereum's Ether, giving Americans access to a second major cryptocurrency via easy-to-trade vehicles. This decision caps a year-long process to get Ethereum ETFs approved by the SEC and follows the regulator's approval of Bitcoin ETFs in January. However, this development had no impact on Ethereum as it was trading at $3,495,000, down 0.72%. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana's price reached its highest point in the last 2 months on July 22nd, maintaining its bullish momentum on the back of potential Solana ETF approval next. Investors are curious about Solana's target of $200 level by tomorrow when trading for spot Ethereum ETFs likely begins. Solana is trading at $183.4, up 3.5% in the last 24 hours, and trading volume is up by 33%. Data reveals that other components of the ecosystem are also dominating the market, extending Solana's dominance this cycle beyond just its price. Next on the list, we have Pixify. Pixelverse, a Web3 gaming platform, is launching a 30% airdrop for its Pixify token. The company, which has over 75 million users through its Pixel Tap app, is aiming to redefine airdrops by rewarding community members. To incentivize early participation, Pixelverse will distribute unique NFTs to all registered users before July 18th. Starting July 25th, users have 1 week to claim their exclusive NFTs, and these NFTs will act as a key to unlock various tiers of the airdrop, with rarity determining the amount of Pixify tokens received. Pixelverse will also distribute 30% of the total Pixify token supply through the airdrop, with 10% allocated to holders of rare, epic, and legendary NFTs, and 20% to users who actively engage with Pixel Chain, the studio's layer 2 blockchain solution. Next on the list, we have TORNCoin. TORNCoin, the native token of Torn, the open network layer 1 blockchain, has seen a significant increase in daily active addresses, reaching 373,000 as of July 15. This indicates increased usage, network growth, and a bullish market sentiment for the TORNCoin ecosystem. Over half of the projects run as bots on Telegram, led by Pavel Durov. The TORNCoin blockchain has also announced a strategic partnership with Animoca brands' Mochaverse and Mocha Foundation. The TORN price has seen 377% year-over-year gains and is trading at $6.97, indicating consolidation. Next on the list, we have Polygon. Polygon Labs is set to change the original Matic token to the new POL token on September 4th as part of its 2.0 roadmap aimed at expanding its zero-knowledge-based layer 2 chains ecosystem and increasing the utility of Matic, the platform's native token. The upgrade will switch from using Matic to POL as the primary token for gas fees and staking on the main chain of Polygon, the Polygon POS chain. The next phases will include POL and securing other chains in the Polygon ecosystem, including the AG layer.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.